Hello, I'm Olivia. I'm a gender-affirming voice teacher, and today I'm going to be breaking down Alexa Demie's voice. Alexa Demie is an actress who I think is most well known for a show called Euphoria, which I have never seen. I have got to see it, I think. I don't know. Seems like people like it. I'm looking at her stuff she's been in. Seems like she's been in a lot of stuff, and she is 35 years old, which I thought she was a lot younger than that, but she's aging gracefully, aging beautifully. Anyway, today we're going to talk about her tone quality of her voice, her resonance, her vocal weight, articulation, her pitch and intonation, and we're just gonna, break it down, talk about it a little bit. So if that's interesting to you, please stick around. Let's listen to Alexa.
This one feels, the cinematography has always been really beautiful, but this one feels especially cinematic. I know he was playing with Western as well as noir references, and yeah, it just feels really cinematic. The film is extra special this season. Like the colors pop, everything pops in a really rich way. So it feels elevated in a sense. Yeah.
Alexa's tone quality is very smooth, and I would call it a very grounded voice. She doesn't have a lot of rasp or breathiness in her voice. It just sounds kind of smooth, it's floating along, but it definitely feels like an embodied voice, like it's confident or coming from her. And I would also say that her voice is very supported breath-wise, so a really beautiful, smooth tone quality. Let's talk about her resonance. In terms of resonance, we're talking about whether a sound is bright on the brighter end or is it on the darker end of things. Alexa's voice is kind of interesting. In this clip, I would say that she's got a bright-ish voice, but there's kind of a hint of darkness in it. There's a hint of openness in there. For instance, when she says cinematography, I feel like there's a little bit more openness there. It's not cinematography. It's not like super bright.
The cinematography has always been...
And I feel like I've heard other interviews with her where she is a little bit darker, a little bit more open in the back. So I think there's something there. There's something a little more open. It's not super in the front. I would say that there's a smoothness, there's kind of like a forward resonance in her face, but in terms of the size of her vocal tract, there's a little bit more openness, a little bit more darkness. As I just listen for her pitch, I think she has a higher voice when she's doing some like sort of exclamations. She's definitely going up higher rather than lower. She's not going kind of down low. She kind of goes up with her exclamations or her like whatever kind of extra stuff. But let's take a look in Pratt and see what it says. So here's the clip. If we go in here, highlight this and get the average pitch, looks like average of 220. Yeah, so that's an average of about an A4. Right smack in the middle there. So if we take a look, definitely on the higher end, see, we've got some things that poke up here into these higher ranges. Obviously, in this clip, there's a lot of background noise too, so we have to take that with a grain of salt when there's other background voices and noises. But I would say that this is probably on the mark. So some of these I think are too high, these 426 and 385, but we believe these, you have to take all this with a grain of salt, take the data with a grain of salt. But 362, I could probably believe, 270, yeah, 245. So she's got this higher pitched voice. She definitely does not go into the low. So I would say that her voice doesn't register as like, that's a super high or shrill voice, because she does have a high voice, but it's paired with this slightly darker sound quality. So we get a little bit of a smooth, like cool, like it almost like is perceived, it could be perceived as like a little like lower, even though it's not, simply because of that slightly darker resonance. Her vocal weight is definitely not super light. I wouldn't say it's not breathy or raspy or getting a ton of air in there. It's definitely a smooth, kind of grounded sound. It's not like overly heavy, but I wouldn't say that's really, really light in weight. So I think that this combination is kind of interesting. This higher pitch with the slightly darker resonance, slightly heavier vocal weight. It's definitely a confident, grounded sound with a high pitch. And then her articulation. So this isn't something that really stood out to me about her voice. I would say she's relatively clear. She eats some of the consonants, I would say. But yeah, I think to me, that's not like a defining feature of her voice, whether it's really clear or really muffled, either one. So overall, Alexa Demie, gorgeous, smooth, higher pitched, but slightly dark, slightly heavier vocal weight. And I know that her voice is probably different in Euphoria or maybe in other interviews that I've heard. So there's probably some variance in terms of how dark or how high or low she is, obviously, like there is with all of us. But this was just one small example. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. Let me know if there are any other voices that you would like me to break down. Write those down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.